Okay, using complements to solve word problems now. We talked last time about what a complement is and how it's notated. Let's look at how we could use that to solve a word problem if we wanted. Okay, we got 4 yellow marbles, 3 greens, 7 blues in a bag, and if we reach in and select one, what's the probability of not picking a yellow marble? Okay, so here's a pretty simple example of using a complement, and the not there kind of shows us why it would be useful. Let event E be selecting yellow, and we've got 4 of them in our bag there, and then that makes E complement the event of not picking yellow, and we can see that's our 7 blues or our 3 greens would be the complement there. Okay, so we recall the formula for complements is probability of E complement is 1 minus the probability of E. All right, so we can, instead of focusing on the not, we can focus on the probability of picking a yellow, and then when we're done we can take the complement of that by subtracting from 1 and get that answer. So like we see here, the probability of not yellow is 1 minus the probability of getting a yellow. All right, so we're going to take that approach and get what the probability of yellow would be. Okay. All right, the probability of yellow then is, well, there's 4 of them, and there's 14 total that we could pick from. Okay, so we've learned that before. It's the number of successes or over the total possible things that we could have done. So 2 over 7 reduces to 28.6%. Okay, so that's the probability we do get yellow, but of course the question said not yellow, so I subtract that from 1 and I get 71.4%. Now I will say in this example we could have gone the other way, probably just as easy. We could have counted the non-yellows as being the 13 of them, or no, 7 and 10, sorry, 10 of those, and taken the 10 out of 14 and come at it that way as well, and that would have given us our result. But this is a good technique, and there are some cases where this is very useful and sometimes even the only way to get to our answer, depending on what information we're given. Okay, so make sure you understand this technique because you will want to use it. All right, thanks.